Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a true icon of American automotive history, the 1970 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. This beauty is finished in a stunning sand exterior with a matching sand interior, and it perfectly embodies the luxury and grandeur that Cadillac was famous for in the golden era of the 1970s. If you're a fan of classic cars or just love jaw-dropping designs with plenty of presence, you're in for a treat. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because this review is going to cover everything, from the exterior styling, interior details, engine performance, all the way to the current market value of this timeless classic. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior because, honestly, the first thing that hits you about the 1970 Coupe DeVille is just how commanding it looks. Measuring over 19 feet long, this car exudes elegance and dominance on the road. The sand color paint gives it a soft yet luxurious vibe, complementing the long, sleek lines that define the Coupe DeVille. The front end is all Cadillac. You've got that classic chrome grille with the iconic Cadillac crest front and center. Dual round headlights give it a bold face, while the chrome bumper wraps around the corners for that perfect vintage touch. Moving along the side, the car has a low-slung, elongated profile that screams sophistication. The long hood and flowing fenders create a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. From the rear, the tail fins are subtle but still present, paying homage to Cadillac's 1950s heritage. The vertical taillights are surrounded by chrome accents, and the trunk lid has a clean, wide surface that enhances its grand look. And of course, those classic Cadillac emblems are perfectly placed to remind everyone of the legacy this car carries. The wheels are classic steel with Cadillac hubcaps, polished to shine against the sand exterior, completing the overall stately look of the vehicle. Interior. Step inside, and you're transported back in time. The sand interior of this 1970 Coupe DeVille is nothing short of spectacular. Cadillac really knew how to make a driver and passengers feel like royalty. Plush, bench-style seating with soft vinyl or leather surfaces, depending on the trim, makes you feel like you're sitting on clouds. The color perfectly complements the exterior, creating a warm, cohesive design that feels both inviting and luxurious. The dashboard is a masterpiece of 1970s design. You have a wide, sweeping dash with chrome accents and an analog instrument cluster that includes the speedometer, fuel gauge, and all the essentials. The steering wheel is massive compared to modern standards, with a horn ring that adds both function and style. The center console is minimalistic by today's standards, but it features the essentials like climate control sliders, a classic AM/FM radio, and an optional 8-track player. One of my favorite touches is the intricate stitching and padded armrests, which show the attention to detail Cadillac invested in their interiors. Even the rear seating is roomy enough for adults to stretch out comfortably, perfect for those long, leisurely drives that Cadillac owners love. Headroom, legroom, and shoulder room are all generous, making this coupe a true grand tourer of its time. Performance. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood because the Coupe DeVille isn't just about looks, it's about power and presence. This 1970 model typically came with a massive 7.7-liter V8 engine producing around 375 horsepower and 525 lb-ft of torque. That's plenty of grunt for a car of this size, and combined with a smooth automatic transmission, the driving experience is effortless yet commanding. The ride quality is classic Cadillac, soft and cushioned, almost floating on the road thanks to its torsion bar suspension and heavy-duty shocks. Handling is more about comfort than sportiness, so don't expect tight cornering, but for cruising down open highways, this car feels like a throne on wheels. Acceleration is surprisingly strong for a vehicle of this weight, giving you that classic American V8 rumble that enthusiasts crave. Fuel efficiency. Well, let's just say you won't be saving much at the pump, but the experience more than makes up for it. Braking is handled by power-assisted drum brakes, standard for the era, and while modern cars outperform in stopping distance, this Cadillac still feels stable and predictable when you need to slow down. Pricing and market value. Now, let's get to the part everyone's curious about, price. Back in 1970, the Coupe DeVille was a luxury investment, with a base price hovering around $6,000, which was a hefty sum at the time. Fast forward to today, a well-maintained 1970 Cadillac Coupe DeVille in sand color with a pristine interior can fetch anywhere between $25,000 to $50,000, depending on originality, condition, and mileage. Rare options, full restorations, or exceptionally clean examples can push this even higher. It's important to note that classic cars like this aren't just about numbers, they're about passion and historical value. Owning a Coupe DeVille isn't just owning a car, it's owning a piece of American automotive history, a statement of luxury, and a rolling piece of art. For collectors and enthusiasts, this car ticks all the boxes: style, comfort, performance, and prestige. In conclusion, the 1970 Cadillac Coupe DeVille in sand with a sand interior remains one of the most elegant and iconic American luxury cars ever built. From the commanding exterior design to the opulent, roomy interior, and the powerful V8 under the hood, this car perfectly captures the essence of 1970s Cadillac luxury. Whether you're a collector, a classic car enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates automotive art, the Coupe DeVille is a car that deserves attention and admiration. It's not just a car, it's a statement, a piece of history, and a timeless symbol of style and comfort. If you enjoyed this review and want more deep dives into classic cars like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment letting me know your favorite Cadillac model, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a review. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep cruising in style.